since. Wetin make me want just talk a little bit, sometimes you get wetin person go do, you go say, I no go do am again, make I rest. Because me say, when two people they quarrel, right? Who wrong inside? When you carry and sit down, you tell and say, you wrong. If the person made a mistake to utter a words or word or whatever, let the person know, say, that word where you talk for your mouth is not good. Not be to come rub all the heaven and earth. You understand what I mean, my people? This advice what I want to tell you. If you vex una more not vex, no say me no say all this problem where they come. So we won't come take and rob me. Because I don't feel good now. I don't go to Juju house. I don't go Ayelala house. I go Asopika house. They don't drag me all the Benin because of this thing wey not gree finish for grass. So you not gree finish because if you look at those states now, it's not that we are big like Igbo people. If you look at those states, we are not big like Yoruba people. So why are we killing ourselves? Why are we separating ourselves? Why are we giving ourselves names? Bini Isha, Bini Isha. Why are we giving our name? What of us when we can't get Bini friends? What of us when our daughter, our son, they marry Bini? What of our son, our daughter, when they marry Isha? If una they do all these kind of things, let me include myself, joiner. So what do you expect all those want to feel? How do you want those people to feel about, hey, because Naisha, hey, because Nabini? Between a Nogie and a Benjamin, is somebody wrong? Give her to her. Give her to her, back, boss. Anyone when you know say wrong, especially all these mature people where you don't still old like me. It's not nice. That one is not advice. You when you born, when you get children, you want to advise people, they can't bring war. Now war, now one cause. Is that how to advise children? Than to say, if you son no bell, and not by if you don't know bell, now some by my lao. And no bell, every to my van. When they feel me, it's not nice. They don't say where would they do all this kind nyama video where they get hair, they get tea. We are where we day here. We get people where we love. I get many of Benin friends when I love. They still love me. You understand? We get our children where they Benin. Our children they where they sham. So where we want to do this one rich? I beg my people. Make we stop all these things. It's not nice. It's not nice. Let us change for this racist matter. We have been doing it. It's time for stop. If you know say you be grown up woman, advise all this small enogi and what they call it. If enogi wrong, give her to enogi. If Benjamin wrong, I know say Benjamin wrong. Because I don't want to do saga. You understand me? Now their platform that they first start this thing. You understand? If to say they not go say all these Benin people not just that they do saga, is it not the same thing? Not be the same. We have been doing this saga for how many years? Benin they do Ishan they do. Who should be say saga? Who should better pass each other there? Both they do saga, both keep quiet, both they comment. When we walk on the select, all this. No. If you want to give Benjamin, give him. Benjamin wrong. When they do live video, we never do saga. He say all those Benin people. I hear look and say, I know, I said Benjamin won't cause war. I said Benjamin won't cause war now. I say, Benjamin, you won't start this raising when they go to insult Isha. Eh? I don't want to follow Adu Saga because if to say I want to follow Adu Saga because it's too small, he need advice. Benjamin need advice. Because I see music for YouTube, right? His music was so nice and lovely. If he not call for your music, say na Saga ain't call for music. All the music where they YouTube make delete them. Make on the do Saga. If to say Benjamin not fair go talk, say all these Benin people. All this thing not will start. So, you know, when what comes to war, big people as soon as they grow rich. You understand? As soon as they grow rich, when I want to talk, this is not blame who wrong. No. If you not blame her, if they say, big people not say big because Naisha, I will come outside. I will advise my people, say, hey, shh. Where you there, where your bra starting? But not call because of Benjamin do something. Yes, we not can't take out the raw body and people, Benin people. No, it's not well done. Benjamin, I take God beg you. You see, I say no, you are a nogi. I don't want to talk to a nogi. But as you don't still take for live video, you say your mark up for Isha. If Benjamin says throw away mouth, you two will throw away my follower. Yeah? If a no get throw away mouth, I'll be Benjamin, you two you want to away my follower. It's my brother. You don't still take for the level now. Eh? It's not good. Where will they kill our faith they go? Una they see Oriobi. Una see Oriobi now where they cause wahala for between Bini and Isha. Una not fit do anything. We they say Oriobi, if na Oriobi yaki obiegon, ugami obiegon ni ano wa azu no zugibie do wa ni amati we miropa. Eh? Wala go. This both bass. Isha Bini, but I all the live video where I just see Naiba Isha Bini Isha. What is it now? Which can hate where we want hate ourselves rich? Where we hate ourselves rich now? No, be say if we see each other now, we poison each other. Oh, why me egbe? Why can't you poison egbuwa? Do we I think we making we? Eh? On my way, on my way. You know, finger, but all to a baby, and no why my wife could do away to now. You do what till you don't know yak, but I want to say my matter, for Facebook, all la go. All la go. Now this one, nice every while that I say, well, again electionary, area nakalugu, again electionary. Why did I don't want to make sure that when they call it yes and Viegon. Now for there, I converse. Say why? When my children they there, now they call them Viegon. How do you want me to do those children? Eh? Please. Good morning, Kate. Benjamin, you have to come outside to apologize to Benin people. Let them apologize to us. You should stop that bullshit. I don't want to face you. Benjamin, I don't want to face you. Because you were there, now they insult your father. The thing was inching you. It was paining you in your blood. You were there, inside house, when I never wanted to throw away your mouth, give your wife. And I never one day throw away my mouth. Because I respected you. I respected you as a man. I respected your wife because of as a wife. I didn't want to insult your wife. You were there, sticking there. Your wife was insulting me. My own not the pay because I be live video presenter. What of my husband? Your wife carried my husband. He start insulting my husband. You were there. Benjamin, we're somewhere here. You were there, your wife. Or what? I don't know. I know. Shit. Eh? You did the sort of wine when they say, maybe with your papa, be even my husband, my senior, your father. Okay, I see they react now. You see, it to say my husband's children, when they are abroad here, they react to call. Not to say, go, the way when you say they defend your father. It to say my husband's children, they stand up. I mean, not say children, they say they here. So how you will see? Yeah, the other here, where are you going? Benjamin, please. I'm not saying may not do saga. Maybe saga is your calling. All this music where you put for YouTube is not your calling, right? Don't let anybody from your body to the insult Ishan Beni, because you started it. I was there looking at you. When they say, all these Beni people, I look, I say, what this one is saying? You know how many Ishan people come down, they say, you won't cause war. No, you are not getting a quarrel. Can't you face a no-gi? When you not see something to tell a no-gi, when you call out Ishan joiner, I've been joiner. You not see what to, now make me they tell you that day, you know the year. I tell you, say, you know sabi do saga. Because saga where you taste that, na buri people. What party are buri people? Please. Please. Benjamin. You are a no-gay. Una feel face on yourself. Cause on yourself. The way one I feel like. It's not my business. Mona remove Bini people, Isha people out of una mouth. Out of una mouth. Koi antu wanuwaje. Now I say, okay, Benjamin, come. Now they say people, they say person, uhoku oru pra. Ge okpe no responsible. Uhoku oru pra. But when you wear the bani gagi, ne wear uhoku nyama, uhoku pra, uhoku pa. Where the bali? Obiaba. Mera yon and son where ho ge aye ihu edioku akigbo ebo oki heaven. Benanya where de bali no. Where de bali agwe nu energy nyama. Why you not come do your own responsible confess? I thought to Enogi live there. Why you not tell Enogi say you are my wife, they do saga, you not consign me. Please remove my own inside. Because you want popular for saga. But get what person they take popular, my darling. We don't first go inside. You know me, maybe you would watch me that time. I got a good one of his land. Not be trouble, they will say we popular. A word where you ought to come for man when people use them. People, Yoruba people know me as do something back home. They are praying for me. I know how much gifts whether they give me. You don't even start for that one, you just start for saga. Because you want, I know say good to defend your wife. It's very important. But when your wife, they insult me, when I never near her, and they hear you way, they just say, you said this one. You will face you. Benjamin, please. I take God beg you. I take God beg you. You are a nogi. Imagine why I now because you go why you don't on the Facebook. Like you said now, when no you want your pay to monetize. We all know. But because you want Gualigo to monetize, don't use this and beneath starting. No. Not be like that. The market where we don't fair do when you not get heads. You not get heads. You not get heads. That's why they do live video. If I say the way where you all not even be like that. When I say who do something, I'll say na Bini, who do something Naisha, who do something Urobo, who do something. They say you be racist. Talk like you, we will don't you know Bini people. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Now you are making all these I don't know. I don't want to throw away my mouth because I'm not just ready for saga. Because Christmas is coming. I have to face what I will take feed my widows. Christmas, they come where your neighbor share things to give them. Eh? Please, you two of you should stop. I'm not saying I not do saga. Oh, good morning, my sweetheart. Agnes, Agatha. I'm not saying I not do saga. You can fight, kill yourself. It's not my business. But insulting each and every other one sit. And look at you now. Every moment, every time, now they tell you now. When they are saying so, almost put on our head this side. You know what it be on our head? Especially on our children. So now, our men and the one are so disgusting. Innocent children, they don't know anything. Una will just carry juju. Una will put them for the children head. Boa, ekboa. Now children do na something. Very soon, una will lie down. Children will they cry for una backyard. Una will, because you know why? Oh God. Now me they tell una. You know why they quit do that thing? Because when you throw a word to them, right? If you throw word to them, say that thing don't they pepper them. They don't know what to tell you. They'll say, oh go on, go any, oh when on who, oh greed. Because the injection is too much. Before somebody insult your children, you know say, you know now, as a Miss Coronavirus, what they call it, diabetes, syphilis, and headache, you put on here. Or now when, oh God, go where? Where? What kind of nonsense is that? Before you do that, you don't have a word to give anybody. Since what they do, like, you don't see me where they insult children. Never. I know they insult children. Unless when you temper my own, I'll tell you, say, uheniya bio, or my or honey, you never hear. You people should stop. Face waiting face, you remove children and remove vision and Beni for na stupidity. Una they hear me? Even when they wire do they buy. Imagine if you do way. Imagine Oria Yakua. Only when we were advising we are in a video color. We're mad here. Our mom were you not children not seeing all this blah blah 1 or 2. You not rich. Una children not rich. He said, no, now not join one, beat one. No. Don't do that. We have been doing that stupidity. And Gary your pan power. Oh no, why we're very give her. Give her to her. Ekinaka do no made yo ni we be ya do e we na. Saba me la o. Abe Benjamin, stop it, eh? Stop it. Come me no one face you. Stop her. Awe abi ale no ko point. You understand me? You won't come to say that they insult your wife. You were there. Your wife Oimat is making pia. If your wife talk to people where talk to her those days, I know we'll get problem. I know say that time and then go find out trouble. If she calls them back the way we take sweet time. Not be people when no near her. Or you are there. You say you are there. You say now you they tell her say go ahead. So that you tell her say go ahead me insult my husband. And they listen to all your blocker. You say now you they tell her say go ahead. If you tell her say no go ahead, no do. So you can't tell her say go ahead, no rob ye or daffy or domen no or maybe or dear bye. I guess when I wear or pamahi or say there your pamahi ben where it will sound dokerini. Yeah, Facebook will mirror. For coming with the other one. Mona no verse people. I hope the video freeze. Is it freeze? Hello guys. Video freeze. Can someone comment there? Good morning. Ifreeze, can you guys see me? Okay. You understand? Benjamin, you say you did there. Now you they tell your wife, okay, insult this one. Okay, no, insult this one. No, insult this one. No, insult this one. All right, darling. When you they talk, you they hear yourself. You they hear yourself. You know they hear yourself. You hear when I tell that they say, where usaga? Where usaga? Where can to pop my no get sen? Me why they were record with yes, because it's I were no usaga we are review where me when I go and make 80. Oh, Jesus Christ. Where go and make 80. It may not be yes, I was sending every live video and me don't let him cover. Your children. No, your children. No. If you feel beat me up, when I will come outside, I will bring AK-100. Me shoot to wow. Facebook will lugu. But you're not like that. My children, they come for it. I never watch a movie whether you tell you return the cost back. No, they don't do that. They don't do that, okay? If person insult your children, leave them. Because that's if they have their own children. Anybody where my bug with your twins or whatever. No need of you to say, well. No, don't do that, okay? Leave that person with the cause. If you want saga the person, sagara. Remove children. Because with the mother, especially me, when you people are insulting children, I don't like it. Okay, no, they know insult children. Thank you, my darling. Now, Benjamin. If I talk now, they'll say, Becca! May I drink tea? May I break it down? I know the thing when won't come out from my mouth, may I swallow it. Benjamin. Softly they talk and may take and build your page. May people know say, but wait, Benjamin, before you start, that your music where they YouTube. They play. They play. I be one started play and just like, not let me play, man. I don't know, man, this year I not feel connect and way. You for play. Aragada, I love you. You like me? Show your nyasho. Big yakulo. Ekperenya. Adelaka. He say you bring that one. You fair play that one. So that made them not say the saga be not be your calling. Now music system then be your calling. So that we will not know that oh you be they sing. So we will know what they will say. Benjamin now I can studio. Don't see you. On the music in the work, when make me here, where oh, baby, I love you. Oh, baby, I love you. Bring your nyash, fine you. Bring your nyash, doodly. Bring your cooler. I like, I'm a akwe, Merek Benuwe. I'm walk be no say, be here. Where a guy akwe, I'm not beg you where we were. Mary music is work, but. Melo lo asolo de asolo bono me solo ireke meta ma wo to wo kan le maneke yitikun owo izinare a make a cup hello na go get those here bini people it's very easy ile ogwobo but when they come the thing wey they pay me for all of food na when they go talk that if they come the insult Ishan people why we want pewe gole Benin people ni erebe fe dokere no insult Benin people Benin people me ma say ye san ya no real video be bad we da go me ya de babari ni ba je ni only one thing I praise my God. You know when you say this woman I bring the wahala of Benin people. This woman I hate Benin. God have to investigate the they speak English. Say Okpaka no. Okpaka is a lover of Benin people. They have to bring their hand, bring their leg, come and do it by themselves. So that they know that the reggae zone is not from Okpaika. They not put the reggae zone by themselves. They put out for Jawa. Ha! Hello! All those useless Benin people, not the Jeka. Now, that thing come at Siloko Road months, our brother. All those useless Benin people. Benjamin, stop it. Face Enogi. Remove Isha and Benin inside. Enogi, please, you too. Face blah blah. Yeah, when you still be like me now, blah blah. Blah blah picking. Face him. Una be the same. You be Isha in Isha. Face him. Ja. But I don't want to see picking inside though. Or I know say this video now they'll see call her. Vera, come and insert a pack a beat her way. Who they made that one? Beat her Vera, insert the audition self. Who they feed? Who you can help? Who you help? Boo. After what can I tell you tickle? Yeah? I bet Brad Pizza, all this while I don't start again. Binisha. It don't be a Nokia Benjamin. Well, Benjamin not resemble me. He not resemble me. Oh, blah, blah. He not resemble me. When I go look in picture, can't look me. Benjamin. When I go look me. Benji, good morning, sweetie. You remember me now? If I look at like which kind of picky be this now? Oh, well. Oh, Jesus Christ. My select cloth never ready. I won't use all of them do film. Oh, wait, Enogi. I'm gonna kill you. Benjamin, man. If I say I want beat you, I don't know where I will catch you. You understand? Benjamin, next time, if your wife they insult a grown-up man, tell her me stop. But if not people will say near her, if he says them, but say their husband will not near them. Tell them me stop. Okay? Alright? You see the name when your wife called my husband that day. Hey, pa. Oh, we are killing her for we get down. We don't la lady buy. We don't wanna buy. We maruwa. Or you're the la lady. Only where you're ba. Me wife ye boni. Where me do we rive down. Where we rive. Be not done once. Oh, when I mimi, or that you're done with that one. Where are you any Benjamin? Where I go for no work my making. Yeah, you put on work my leg matter anything. It's a buy. Where a woman or you jar. My children feel still in something, doesn't matter. But you get who I the answer. Now this. I look all of them. Who responsible? They won't come sit down for cheer on the No, now you the cause wahala. So now make me just say me I talk small word inside. May all the grown-up women inside. Now advice they give children, not be all this one when they do. Then they put more fire. Be Ishan. The Kukuma hate the Ishan before. Opportunity come but one. Benjamin no say, Esan ya I took my neck my hair. I should job for me, put for their mouth. The dust starts. Esan, good morning, princess. Esan. Benjamin, I beg you. I say God beg you. Because I don't want me to pass like this. Because if it pass like this, you know me. Before, you see, say, I believe people they fight for. According to, they fight for them where. I never want to fight for my Asian people. Anybody where they want so called Benin person, I'll chest them. Benjamin, I don't want chest you. You dey hear me? If I chest, if you like, they cost me. Me no go, I'll not go worry you. But when you cost me finish, the gateway this, I still receive them. But enough is enough. Don't let anybody push you, say insult Benin, insult Benin. But all those when they call you for food, call your wife for food, make they insult who not near them. Yes?